Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to use the camera remote control of your D20 smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to use the camera remote control of your D20 smartwatch. Alright guys, so as you know, your D20 smartwatch has the ability to control or to capture image while your phone is far away from you. So all you have to do is just go to your more and click on the camera, and then in our smartphone, let's go to our Fit Pro application. And after that, you can see here the set, and you can see the remote take photos. So let's just click this one and allow Fit Pro to take pictures and record video. So just click allow guys. So as you can see guys, we have here our parrot. So let's try to change its position. So let's take a picture guys. So in our smartwatch, so we have the camera already set, and let's tap this circle icon here. Let's tap it and ta-da. Okay, it already captured our image. So let's click again. Alright, so for you to check guys if you've successfully captured your image, so just kindly go to your gallery and boom, you can see there your picture that you took using the remote camera control. Alright guys, so I think that's it, and if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.